वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आइए हम लोग कुछ मिनटों में बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस का पावरफुल रिवीजन करते हैं। आरबीआई ग्रेड 2 इकोनॉमिक्स और ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स यूपीएस। Repo rate refers to the rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks. B, rate at which banks lend to RBI. C, interbank lending rate. D, long-term government borrowing rate. Answer is A, rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks. Repo rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends short-term money to commercial banks against government securities. So when a repo rate increases, loans become costly, inflation may reduce, and when repo rate decreases, liquidity increases and growth may rise, because increase in repo rate makes loan costly and people take uh, less loans, and when repo rate is decreased, loan becomes cheap and people start taking loans and money will circulate in the economy. Question number 2, which of the following measures inflation in India? A, CPI, Consumer Price Index, B, WPI, C, GDP deflated, D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. India uses multiple inflation indicators: CPI to know retail inflation, WPI to know wholesale inflation, GDP deflated measures economy-wide inflation, and currently monetary policy mainly targets CPI inflation. Question number 3, CRR is A, cash kept by banks with RBI, B, loan reserve for farmers, C, government tax reserve, D, foreign exchange rate. Answer is A, cash kept with RBI. CRR, known as cash reserve ratio, is the percentage of deposits that bank must maintain with RBI in cash form. If CRR increases, banks have less money to lend and liquidity decreases and inflationary pressure may reduce. Fourth is open market operations are conducted by A, SEBI, B, NABARD, D, RBI, Ministry of Finance. Answer is C, RBI. Open market operations involve the buying and selling of government securities by Reserve Bank of India to control liquidity in the economy. RBI buys securities, liquidity increases because when RBI buys